This DoorDash order of the day, $6.25 for 3 miles at Burger King. That's perfect. DoorDash got a new update. If you're new to the channel, thanks for being here. We're gonna have a conversation about it. How you doing? I'm just wondering, is it okay if I pick up a DoorDash order through the drive-thru?
Man, stop playing with me. What?
In today's video, we're gonna talk about how you now have the ability to switch zones while you dash. Welcome or welcome back. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps. And as I speak, I'm getting a $5 RB order for 2 miles, and I'm gonna take it because it's heading down the direction I'm going. But in today's video, we're gonna talk about DoorDash specific. With the new DoorDash update, you now can switch zones without being Top Dasher. This is big news for all my dashers out there who don't grind for Top Dasher every month. This is in preparation for the new DoorDash Pilot Rewards program that's coming out soon. So if you didn't know, DoorDash is gonna be piloting a new program that they're gonna be testing out in a few markets, but it's gonna be going everywhere. And a part of this is gonna be the ability to switch zones, no matter if you Top Dasher or anything like that, because they're getting rid of Top Dasher, guys. I've already got the update here in my market. I got this message, the little notification, as I was on my way over to my first order of the day. Now, how is this gonna change things for dashers? What is it gonna mean? Let's go ahead and talk about it. Time left to accept the zone switch. So it's a timer on this little screen that's gonna pop up for you. Then it also says expected to be busy for X amount of time. So now you have more options and more things available to you while you out dashing, so that you can say, you know what, hey, I ain't getting no orders, the hot zone done shrunk down, you know, I don't like the restaurants I'm by, let me switch zones, you know, I want to keep the wheels rolling. This is gonna be good for a lot of dashers, and especially dashers now before, you know, when you it's kind of sad really if you think about it, because all these folks who just got done grinding for Top Dasher again, you know what I'm saying, for the last couple times, like, there's really no point of going for Top Dasher, because if you just grinded for Top Dasher, now you got it, and then boom, this hit your zone. Now everybody who didn't have Top Dasher yesterday, today they now have the ability to switch zones. So that right there lets you know, adapt for the changing market. I want to know, let me know in the comments below, have you seen this in your market chat? What are you going to do once this does hit your market? Because look, this is what you got to realize. You might as well prepare and adapt for the things that are coming your way, because once DoorDash tries something out and they like it and it works, they gon' spread it around. But here's the difference though. Most of the time when they try things out and it's for their benefit. Now this could also be for their benefit still, but here's what you also got to think about. This is something that's gonna allow you to make more money. So even if it is something they doing for their benefit this time, this is one of those special times where it's actually important that you go ahead and take advantage of this and use it to raise your acceptance rate. Get your stats right so that you can be in a perfect position when that new program come out and you can make all that money. Let's get it. That's what we about on this. I want to put up a screenshot of the full St. Louis map at this part of the video, so that I can show and emphasize how this is really going to be a game changer as far as when you got a whole bunch of zones stacked on top of each other, like the market that I'm currently in right now, St. Louis, Missouri. As you can see, it's a whole bunch of zones within this city. So now you are no longer confined to the one zone you scheduled for, you know, depending on if it happened to be busy or not. This is what you got to realize, guys. 7303, I think I just passed it up. Alrighty, so this customer stay on the main road, so I chose to go ahead and park over there, and I'm gonna walk over here so that I ain't gotta park my car in their driveway on the main road or worrying about getting hit. I ain't got time for all that. Adapt to your situation, guys. This is the things that I'm talking about. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about right here, because if you can't adapt simply in the day-to-day, minute-to-minute, hour by hour, that's how you gonna survive out here in the gig economy. Woo! It is super windy out here. Damn, that thing was loud as hell. So we out here in the Shrewsbury area right now, still the Webster Grove zone. But you know what? I like it out here because it's a lot more populated. It's a lot more people, population, more orders. And it's beautiful out here too. So far we had 19 bucks on Uber Eats and $6.25 on DoorDash. So that means I'm at 25 bucks already. I just put 50 bucks in my gas tank to fill it up, guys. And in 45 minutes, I done already made half of it back. Let's see how long it take me to make this other 25 bucks back. Let's go. If I need to, I will switch zones, but let's see, because I'm multi-apping, so that's the reason that the update doesn't really affect me as much, but it does affect me, and it does provide more opportunity for me to make that money. So I want to know, guys, let me know in the comments, are you multi-apping? Are you single-apping? Are you doing grocery delivery? Is this change going to affect you and allow you to make more money, or do you not really care in it? You know, it don't really matter. Let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious, and I want to know.